Hello, everybody. I'm not the professor one, he is. I'll give you a very short introduction to this subject, just like in the book. And this could read also a very short history, because I won't bother you along with this stuff you already know. But the inventions of the past on electricity started with thunder plus lighting equals fear, and it's a great motivator in scientific research. What's behind the phenomena? Then they found out that fur plus amber means static electricity. Usually it's said that if you rub the amber with fur, it gets static, but I think it's the other way around. They have been beating up the wild beast with the amber pieces. Then Franklin made his experiments with kites, and don't try these at home. It's a wonder he survived what he did. Then there's a big, long list of names you are very familiar with, also, not only as scientists but also as units of measurements, plus a multitude of applications running on electricity. Maxwell made the great discovery to combine the electricity and the magnetism, and then Edison combined with electricity meant hundreds, over 1,000 patents of different kinds. All those inventions did shape the future, and Maxwell is set to comment on Gladstone, a later Prime Minister of England, on the practical worth of electricity. None, sir, whatsoever. Or there's another version. Why, sir, there's every probability that you will soon be able to tax it. Well, you can decide which one is the correct one. And today, this is our electric world, visible from the space. About a month ago, I was discussing about possible civilization in outer space on other planets with Seth Shostak from SETI Institute, and I asked him what he thought about what Stephen Hawking said earlier this year, that we should be very quiet in space because it might be dangerous if they come here. And he said that if they are so very advanced, we should turn off the lights to stay hiding. But I think it's a bit late now. Currently, the majority of the energy is produced with fossil fuels, actually 85%. And, well, this one here is because that's the machine we did have at home. Then it broke down. It was a tragic loss for our family because it was a great espresso machine. But those small divisions there are nuclear and the renewable sources. And that's one of the challenges of the future with the population growth, rising standard of living, global climate change, increasing dependence on electricity, and increasing importance of energy efficiency. They are challenges to be met, and they can be met. But what are the solutions? And that's time to give Jakob the microphone.